Hello and welcome to Spindy's weekly linkage number 25. Remember, numbers are fingers to represent finger slots. This one is a bit of a special one because it's the second linkage made by someone else, and that special someone else is Convg once again. His linkage starts with a palm up inverse side sonic to 1-3, interrupted by an inverse twisted sonic to 3-4. We then transition to an interrupted twisted sonic to 2-4 with FC 4-3. Which is then followed by another interrupted twisted sonic to 1-2 with OFC 2P outside of 1P. We then finger switch to this slot, which can be notated as 1.4.T2P, which is more complex dot notation for specifying parts of the mod as well, such as the tip or ends of the mod. This position has a wiper in with 2 out and unFC 2P outside of 1P. The linkage finishes with a palm down wiper 1-4 to 2 in with a push of 2 to palm. If you're wondering why these brackets are empty, it's to prevent unnecessary repetition of in-out notation as it inherits the previous bracket notation. So why not just write it like this? Well, this is because the slot transitioner would be notation from a slot to the bracket notation, which are incompatible. The linkage looks like this. Special thanks again to Convg for making it, and special thanks to you the viewer for watching. Thanks for watching, see you next week.